What is going on, my money-making friends? It's your boy Jduntrades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back in action with another episode of Team Bull TV, your number one resource for all things trade recaps, market updates, and all things money. We have a very special episode for you today. Myself and millionaire trader inside Team Bull Grizzly team up to show you exactly how he caught two winning trades today, had our team making money like this.
Man, Grizzly don't miss. Nasty, let's go.
And as always, all the education that goes into our team's trades. So with that being said, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to learn next below, and let's get to the money together. Two winning trades called out live in real time inside of Team Bull. Grizzly, how we doing today?
Doing amazing, man. It's been a good day. How you been?
I'm doing great, man. It was awesome watching you print. I can't wait for these amazing people to hear the recap on it and the education behind it. And for myself, it was okay. I missed my long side entry to the upside on this big break here, but luckily I was able to catch some of those shorts and puts with you on this break up here, which you will be going over in a second. Now, on Team Bull TV, in just a moment, Grizzly's going to break down his exact two trades today. How he called out shorts and puts on this first move down here. And then second, how he caught the top here for a nice 10-point plus move down on ES as well, and some big percentages on the SPY options. Now on Team Bull TV, we go over the trades we take, winners, losers, what we see going forward in the market, and all things stocks and money. So that being said, like I said before, make sure you guys tap in, hit that subscribe button, check out Grizzly's YouTube after this, and let's get to it. Now, for me, looking at this market, I don't trade my best when we're at all-time highs. You, on the other hand, Grizzly, you've been crushing it. I had an awesome trade on Monday. We basically cut the bottom on Monday, rode that up like 3 points on SPY, 20, 30 points plus on ES, and it was a real good day. But as far as like our macros go here on the weekly, I don't like trading when we're at all-time highs. So I'm personally looking for for us to continue up, have a pullback back down and catch that higher low, or B, to pull back soon, get into this range, in like the 4,800 area to 4,900 in this area, and to start trading ups and downs within that. So I think it's within reach. If you look at the overall market on SPY, we've been heading up on some lower volume, which we can do. Markets do go up in lower volume, but it is a little, particular when we do so, especially, heading into such highs. So that being said, that's my take on the market. I would love to see, a nice negative 1%, 2% day here soon, and, ride the wave back up after. But I'm going to hand it to you, Grizzly, so you can go over your two trades, your trade recaps from today, and anything else you think that these amazing people will find valuable. Let's get it.
All right, let's do it, man. So I guess to go through these properly, I need to start from the beginning, right? During our Instagram live this morning, when we was creating our game plan, getting our levels ready, I marked up that all-time high on SPY, that 496.05. Now our bounce area was this 494 area. I knew when we touched this, I knew there could be some sellers there. So my initial game plan was to short that 5,000 area on SPX or take a bounce at 494. But once the market opened, I seen some weakness here. I seen aggressive selling, I guess you could say, some sellers coming in. Once we lost this 496, that's when I entered puts. I called this out inside Team Bull in my exact position. I said, I want to, get in this. Ideally, I wanted to play it down to my bounce. I mean, that would be ideal, right? We play it down to the bounce, we flip the calls, we make money both ways. But it didn't work out like that. I was trading SPX. So let's take a look at SPX for this trade. Again, the reason I was trading SPX instead of SPY is the tax benefits. I'm going to be completely honest. That's the only reason I would ever trade SPX over SPY. I like the spreads on SPY better, but SPX has much better tax advantages.
And you've also been trading a lot of futures and telling Team Bull that, like, on these trades, when you're trading SPX or SPY, the same trade is valid for futures as well. Like, they go hand in hand.
Yes, sir. I'm going to go ahead and clarify that. So when you're trading SPY or SPX, you can trade ES futures or you can trade MES futures. If you're trading QQQ levels, you can trade NQ futures or MNQ futures. So if you're creating a watch list with me every morning, I go live every single morning. Jdun joins me on Instagram. If I have SPY or QQQ levels, feel free to trade it using futures. So here's where I entered on SPX, caught this nice move down here. It doesn't look like a big move here, but these contracts absolutely exploded. Team Bull made a nice bag off this trade. Right here's where I got out. Okay, I had runners. I was trying to let them run in case we continued on down my bounce area. But once I seen this 5-minute candle here for him, I said, okay, I'm out. Close the trade. I closed the runners in profit. So we made money all the way around here. I told everyone, I said, I'm going to watch this 5,000 area for a possible reject. So we came up, made this nice climb up, as you can see here, literally in like 20 minutes. We came up. You're probably wondering, like, why'd you enter early here? This is not my typical go-to confirmation, but I noticed I had TradingView up, and I have RSI along with a few other indicators I've been testing, but I have RSI up, and that was a previous high point on the RSI, resistance on the RSI. I said, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my position here. If we push on up, I'll add to it at that whole psychological 5,000 level. But I started my position here and we caught this nice move down here. This was my biggest trade today. Worked out nicely. And our execution was on point. We waited till we got into the money before we ever trimmed these. And once we got in the money, the premium absolutely exploded. This is a nice trade all the way around. And that's it for the day. Very simple levels, very simple confirmation. But you know what's important? We created our plan pre-market. I mean, we knew exactly how he was going to handle these trades. The only one that was a little different was this one. But, you know, I kind of held everyone's hand, walked them through it. A lot of Team Bull members, they already know how to handle something like this. So it wasn't nothing but, wasn't nothing to them. But this trade, we already had our game plan ready. All we had to do is just follow it.
Yep. And yeah, I think that's a big part of what a lot of traders need to understand is that if you're going into the day, you have a plan, you know how you're going to manage your risk. Like there's really no way that you can lose long term. Like you might lose trades, but if you manage your risk and always have a plan, like you're going to win long term if you can dial all those little pieces in. So that's always reassuring to hear. And I know it helps a lot of people in Team Bull and that, tune into our free lives and free videos to hear that. Know that they need to have a plan and know that if they do have that plan and if they manage their risk, good things are going to happen.
That's right.
So that being said, it was a beautiful day inside Team Bull Trading. We're going to be bringing you episodes of Team Bull TV nearly every single day. So make sure if you guys haven't already, tap in, hit that subscribe button below. We both want to see you learn, win, and level up. And unless you have anything else to say, Grizzly, I think that'll wrap us up for the day. Do you have anything else to say, Grizzly?
No, that's it, man. That's it.
Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Keep trading smart, keep trading safe. And until next time, keep on the mission. Steps forward every day. Take care, brother.
Peace.
Peace.